Okay, don't kill me. Okay. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bare Apron. Today, we're gonna make my all-inspired Food Wars dish. Yes, now Food Wars is my favorite anime, hence why I'm wearing the lovely Kuma bear. That's right. And so with this dish is gonna be a vegan onigiri served two different ways. Yes, the first way is gonna be a vegan mushroom and cheese onigiri. And then the other one is gonna be my honey garlic beans. Instead of using pork belly or pork meat, we're gonna substitute that with, you guessed it, chickpeas. So today we're gonna use our lovely shiitake mushrooms, beautiful and organic as well. I got a handful. So first up, we're gonna chop these up. Oh, that's beautiful. We're gonna have some warm water in a bowl. And we're gonna sprinkle some salt into it. What this does is that it won't allow these lovely sticky rice stick to your hand. And also the salt acts as a flavor enhancer as well, a little bit of that. With your bare hand, get it? You're gonna get a decent sized ball. Smaller than a baseball, about the size of a tennis ball, I would say. And what you wanna do is do a nice little press, I guess. So you're basically creating a hole for your filling. And then we're gonna use a little bit more of the rice to cover this bad boy up. Into a nice triangular pyramid. I'm getting a lot of that toasted sesame. The nori is great, by the way. That cheesiness, it goes really well with that saltiness and that earthy a grassy type of mushroom feel to it. Oh wow. Alright, let's put some hot sauce on this. Oh god. Ooh. Listen, you guys. Try the honey garlic one. Absolute fire. I promise you. It looks amateur work, but the taste wise, oh, so fire. That's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. A little bit of amateur this time, but it's my first time doing onigiri, and I really do like it, especially the two flavor combinations. Please leave a like on this episode. If you like animes and you like onigiris, leave a comment on the below telling me your favorite part of Food Wars. And as always, subscribe, senpai.